I feel so much more confident. I've got my confidence back. It's given me a new lease on life. Well, I was shocked at first, quite honestly, when they showed me my teeth. Because I think you go into it hopeful, but until you see the final product, it's absolutely amazing when you finally take a look. Well, I think whenever you go to a clinic and you've never been there before, there's going to be some doubt. But if you're going to go to another country, I think it's normal to have doubts for anybody. But my doubts were set aside rather quickly after getting here.